contaminated.
By applying this innovative product, we can help to achieve SDGs.
CH4 is responsible for various waterborne diseases used for bioremediation of contact. So this demo park is...
We have all grown up in Delhi and never ever anybody had thought about doing something for the Barapula drain. And as a Delhiite, for me, it's a great amount of pleasure and privilege being the Science and Technology Minister of being able to do something for cleaning up the Barapula drain and also using the adjoining areas and the land and developing a park there for demonstration of those technologies which are going to in fact inspire a lot of our young generation students and scientists and researchers and fellows who do a lot of research. So it's a great movement. On earlier occasions also, every time we went there, we found something worthwhile going on. And now I have been Science and Technology Minister for almost 6 years, and after having visited every laboratory in India belonging to the Science and Technology, Biotechnology, CSIR, I know that this one particular aspect of converting waste into wealth and all types of wealth, this is such an important area and such a worthwhile area which actually deserved the maximum attention from everybody. We had earlier launched these 2 demonstration projects about Lotus and Desmi for cleaning and treatment of the Barapula drain, and which we had, both of us have seen them, and they were done in collaboration with Denmark and of course Netherlands, and both are right now operational. And the objective of these projects, we know was to develop a novel holistic wastewater management approach to recover reusable water, energy and nutrients. So that was an excellent project that we saw. I think I don't want to get into the nitty-gritty of these different projects that are being envisaged to grow up there further. Dr. Kasture mentioned about them. You also mentioned. There is no point repeating about all of them. But this clean technology demo park, which is being inaugurated by us, myself and Mr. Anil Bajal today, I think we have to now make it a model. We should not be satisfied with only symbolic activity. Few months from now, we should see at least a few hundred people visiting that place every day. That should be our, and I am sure that we can make people see that. And if we can make the younger people see that, it's going to yield very, very rich dividends, because it's all ideas economy now. And most important today is not money. If you have the idea, you have the brain, I think that innovation coefficient becomes most important. And the present government is there to promote ideas, to respect ideas, to help ideas get converted into entrepreneurship. That is what the Prime Minister has been trying to do. His vision for the Startup India or the Stand Up India, and then putting 10,000 crores in the startup and the stand-up movement